buy Apple gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy Apple gift card. So the process of buying Apple gift card is quite simple. So all you have to do is just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just search for Apple gift card online, and after that you will be redirected to the official website of Apple where you can explore different cards and purchase Apple gift card as per your choice. So just click on the buy section from the middle of the screen. And here you will see that you have two options. Either you want an e-form of the gift card in your email address, or you want a physical Apple gift card in your mail, because they will send you the physical copy of the gift card. So you just have to select the form of the gift card that you want to purchase. For example, I'm selecting e-card, so I'm just gonna click on email, and then you just have to click on or choose the design for your Apple gift card. You can see there are so many different options available, so choose the one that you like the most. I'm liking this one the most. And after that just choose the amount that you want in your Apple gift card, for example $50. And after that just enter your name and fill in all the details like your email address and sender name and sender email address. And once you fill in the details, and after that you can also write a personalized message to the person that you want to send this gift card to, and then just click on add. And after that you just have to select, and it says that usually the card arrives in 1 hour, but sometimes it takes 2 to 3 business days, so you have to wait accordingly, and this way you will be able to buy your Apple gift card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.